Top things homeowners should do to protect their property. 1. Schedule a roof inspection. Also, old roofs increase the risk of fires, leaks, pest invasions, and raise the price of homeowners insurance. 2. Schedule a pest inspection/treatment. 3. Get homeowners insurance and home warranty. A homeowner's insurance policy is a standard requirement for homeowners that have a mortgage, but it can be optional when your house is paid off. 4. Service the HVAC. 5. Schedule gutter cleanings. 6. Change HVAC air filters. 7. Get an energy audit. By getting a tax-deductible energy audit on your property, you can check what parts of your home have areas for improvement. 8. Get smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors. 9. Get fire extinguishers. 10. Get a home security system.